Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are all fine, enjoying your life well. Viewers, in this video I am going to show you very beautiful and very stylish crochet baby dress, crochet baby frock design. I hope viewers you like this crochet baby dress, crochet baby frock designing ideas. Viewers, watch this video till end and ask in comment section if you have any question. Viewers, if you don't know about crochet world yoke designing ideas, looking fabulous with crochet work, cotton or lining. Viewers, if you do contrast lining on crochet work dress, it look more gorgeous and then later for same color. Viewers, make beautiful babies rompers and some accessories for these type of dresses. For example, white and red color dress, for example, looking very fabulous, and these matching purse and flowers and frock looking very fabulous, color contrasting green shade frock looking very good in color contrasting and printed cotton. Reverse crochet is a handmade process while knitting is a machinery process. In crochet work, hook is used and in knitting machine is used. Reverse wool is used in both type of design. Wool stuff matter. Which type of wool you want. If you want reshmi type wool, it is your choice. If you want soft wool, it's your choice. It's your choice how to make wool, which type of wool you want and which type of design you want to make. Thanks for watching, viewers. Take care of yourself and also tell in comment section and pray